Hey everyone! We've just got an exciting new look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and I have more than 3 amazing updates for you. Yes, you heard that right. From fresh design details to advanced features, there's a lot to unpack. So, if you're a Samsung fan, this is definitely for you. First up, let's talk design. These third-party cases for the S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra reveal some intriguing differences. Can you spot them? Comment below if you catch it. The two major ones are a game changer. First, the S25 Ultra has an extra camera, something you won't see on the S25 or S25 Plus. Second, Samsung has switched up the design. Gone are the sharp corners. The S25 Ultra now has a rounded look, but still keeps that boxy style that Samsung fans love. However, if you're a fan of the sharper S24 Ultra design, Samsung is currently offering discounts of $300 to $400. Check the link in the video description if you're interested. Now, this video showcases the S25 Ultra case and confirms both of these new features. And here's another bonus: the sides of the phone are completely flat. While it's hard to tell more from the render, the bezel looks a bit bigger, so this might not be fully accurate yet. Unfortunately, there's some news on the display front that might disappoint some of you. The S25 Ultra is expected to use the older M13 panel, like the S24 Ultra, while competitors like Google and Apple have already upgraded to M14. However, some sources suggest Samsung might boost the brightness up to 3000 nits with improved colors and more fixes. Let's see if they pull it off. On the software side, Samsung is finally adding a much-awaited feature: seamless software updates, also known as A/B partitioning. This will let you download updates in the background, then reboot quickly to apply them. Samsung already added this feature to the Galaxy A55, so we're highly likely to see it on the S25 series. Another One UI 7 feature to look out for is the AI notification summarization. This will group your notifications intelligently, similar to what we've seen on Apple devices. It's launching in Korean at first, but will expand to other languages soon. However, it may impact battery life as it runs continuously in the background. Speaking of battery, there's a concern here. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chip delivers powerful performance, even beating the iPhone 16 Pro Max in benchmarks, but it also brings heating issues. This could mean Samsung may need an even larger vapor chamber for cooling. With competitors adding larger batteries, Samsung is holding at 5000 mAh with 45W charging, so let's hope they optimize this well for better battery life. Price-wise, the S25 Ultra might see a price increase due to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chip, with no Exynos option this year. We could be looking at around $1,350 or even $1,400 for the Ultra model. But there's some great news: Samsung is bringing back the 16GB RAM option, alongside 512GB and 1TB storage options, which is sure to boost performance. And here's a surprise for Samsung fans. Samsung is working on a special S25 Slim Edition. This model will launch after the main S25 lineup, offering a thinner, more streamlined design. It could even replace the S25 FE model, so keep an eye out for that. Now, for those wondering how the S25 Ultra compares to the S24 Ultra, here are the highlights. The S25 Ultra has a more rounded design, while the S24 Ultra kept a boxy look. The camera design on the back is updated to resemble the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which some people will love, while others may prefer the previous style. If you're still into the S24 Ultra, now's a great time to grab a deal. Check the description below for links. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace out. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like added.